Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Nadia binti Muhammad Anwar. I'm a student from IMS556. Today in this video, I want to present about computerized database. What is computerized database? Computerized database are electronic files, usually referred to as data files, that provide the capability to organize, format and search digital data. In order to serve your data within a computerized database, the data needs to be converted from its original form into binary data types. The data is organized, retrieved, shared and searched via a query language associated with the computerized database optimizer. Next, all the computerized database were associated with the navigational model that use embedded pointer to allow application to navigate through the logical data model. Okay, next we go to computerized database example. In computerized database example, we have 4 example, which is first Google, second Facebook, next Twitter, and the last is Microsoft Access. Okay, next we go to the advantage and disadvantage. Okay, for advantage, first is it will ease to storage. It means database make it easier for you to enter and store database. The type of data store can range from customer information to personal material, such as a catalog of books or movie. Okay, the next advantage for computerized database are information retrieval and security. It can storing and organizing information in a computerized database, makes that information more easily accessible. Unlike using a file cabinet, database or library, the user can simply type a query into database management software and have the result delivered quickly. Okay, now we move on to disadvantage of computerized database. First is complexity. Computerized database are complex applications, as we know. They require a great deal of programming knowledge to create. Due to the variety of data that might be stored in a database, any such application must be custom-made to suit that particular type. Program often require specialized hardware and software to work together. Because of the complexity, database software can provide expensive to create and purchase. Should a database become damaged, transferring the content data can be difficult or impossible. Okay, next we move to other disadvantage, which is incidental cost. By choosing to use a database, you may incur incidental costs. Not only must you purchase the database application itself and any required hardware, you must learn to use it first. If you run a business, you must pay for your employees' training. It can help employees to use the database well. This training might entail hiring instructors, sending employees to classes, or even having them learn on the job. No matter how you choose to train them or yourself, you lose the time put into training and the money that could have been made in that time. Okay, now we've moved on to computerized versus database comparison. For computerized, it can hold a vast amount of data. Next, it very fast to find a specific record, and it also can easily search for a specific criteria. Example, all of the people who left in Warwick. Next, can be sorted into ascending or descending order on multiply criteria. Okay. Next, it can be used to analyze the data. Example like most popular selling item. For computerized also, it can easily update or amend a record. Example like customer's address after moving house. Next is record are stored safely. They are available when needed. Next is that the data can be kept secure by use of password. And lastly, it also easy to make a backup in case of data loss. Okay, meanwhile, for paper-based, it will limited by physical storage space available. Next, it can take a while to manually search through all the records. Next, difficult to search for a specific criteria. Every record would have to be manually looked at. Other than that, it's very difficult to analyze the data. Besides, difficult to sort data on more than one criteria. Next, it can changes have to be done manually. Record can look messy if scribbled out. Next, record can be lost or misfiled, making it hard to find them because it's paper-based, right? Then lastly, difficult to make a backup because every page or card would have to be rewritten or photocopy. This means extra storage space is needed. Okay, that's all for my video. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy my video about computerized database. And don't forget to like and subscribe here. Thank you.